How to install the Grindr app on your Android device. So first, open the Play Store. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner. From here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and search Grindr. Here you'll see an app which is launched by Grindr LLC, which has 50 million plus downloads. Simply tap on install, and after a few moments the Grindr app will be installed on your device. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.